complete, and then move on through each of the steps until you actually have rotated through them. So as you're rotating through them, you can see some things, and it starts to make sense when you've seen enough of them. So I've seen 1,000 raids at this point, so it's like every time I look at one, I can just guess most of the time. But so here's some of the samples. So now, as convenient as it is that her head, well, anyway. It's not going to be very convenient for the photographer or somebody that needs to get it back. So in this particular case, you're actually missing a stripe. So you either have a disk that's actually gone, or you're missing a big chunk of the data itself. Then you got stuff like this that's very small files. So typically these are going to be, this is not, I don't know why they had stick porn on their stuff, but either way, it's less than 32K, and you extract it, and it looks intact. It looks okay. There's nothing special about that. But here's a file that most of you should recognize, or two files that most of you should recognize. So right off the bat, you know that there's windows on the box, and these are the sample files. They're next to each other, and there are slice sizes that are wrong. But if you look at it, this particular one came off the drive and said it was 140K. So as you divide this up, you can start to see, hey, look, I'm looking at maybe a 64K stripe size. So you can almost tell